Hello mates, welcome back to my YouTube channel, World of TREDEC, reviewing the Minicraft model kit in very good quality. And this is the Cessna 150, very popular aircraft, just right for the pilots learning to fly. And this kit, the number of this kit is 11675. Plastic model kit, skill level 2, Cessna in 1/48 scale, the Cessna 150. This is the original Cessna logo. That means this is exact and accurate replica from that aircraft. Includes decals for creating your own personal registration number. That's very nice, very interesting, with 3 marking options, with the premium cartograph decals for 3 marking options. Removable cowling, detailed interior on engine. Okay, Cessna 150 emblems, logos and body designs are trademarks of Textron Innovations Inc. and are used under license by Minicraft Models US LLC. I don't see who painted this wonderful aircraft with this attractive livery. This is for the US version. The markings on this side of the box, the US registration, the German registration and the Canadian registration. Very attractive. The 3 ones are very nice. This side of the box, the name of the aircraft, catalog number, skill level, the scale and the Cessna logos. This side is showing the warnings. This is not a toy. Copyright 2013, Minicraft Models US, made in China, and this is England address. Barcode, web page and some descriptions in many languages: English, Spanish, French, etc. in Portuguese. Okay, the same thing, nothing at the back. So let's open the box and see the wonderful contents of this excellent model kit. As always, starting with the display stand, already polished completely, very nice, very sculptured. The transclear parts, extremely neat and shiny, very good. Even the wing fairing light, very good, and an optional sign with an embossed Cessna 150 logo. What else? These parts, the sprues with these parts right here, and this one with the signs, the cockpit floor, seats, landing gear supports, landing gear boots, the wing supports, just like Bandai and other molds like this were made before. The fuselage inside, this one is without the tail, this hull is without the tail, but the other one is with the tail, it's complete. This is a 2-seat cockpit. Very nice fitting, in spite of no guides, no slots, no pins, but that's so fine. Very smooth surface with recessed panel lines. What about this? The horizontal stabilizers in just one solid mold each. The cowling top and bottom. Maybe that's for taking it out and show the inner engine. This is the top of the cowling. This one is the exceptional piece with this little ball to insert into this socket system and make the pivot system. Okay, for displaying the aircraft or for multi-position aircraft. The three wing halves, sorry. That's the top, very smooth, with raised panel lines for the flaps. These are for the windows, clear windows, and these other halves for the bottom halves for this wing. Okay, let's check building instructions with the sprue maps. With all the pieces, I counted 54 pieces. The dimensions 13.3 centimeters long by 20.6 centimeters wingspan. All the pieces, this is an improved building instructions comparing to the older ones. Cockpit with floor and seat, rudder pedals for in order to be painted in aluminium, the firing wall, the landing gears, boots, assembling and painting the panel controls or instrument panel, the fuselage with all the elements inside, the cockpit, the instrument panel, the windshield, the back one, the horizontal stabilizers, the main wing with the three halves with the pitot and the fairing light. Assembling the main wing to the fuselage, adding the windshield and the wing supports, assembling the detailed engine, assembling it to the fuselage, in front of the fuselage with the bottom cowling, side view in order to check some alignments, and how to mount it on the display stand with a final assembling with the propeller, 2 blades propeller, the strut with landing gear struts, etc. Let's check the markings, which is very artistic, very extensive. The US registration, okay, very nice, finishing the US registration with these letters, November 8125 November. The Canadian registration with Charlie, Golfo, Echo, Lima, Echo. The German registration is Delta, Charlie, Alpha, Lima, uniform. And the last one is from UK. It's Golfo Hotel Alpha Delta Victor. Some details about the wingtips for each version. The most interesting and catchy is from United States with these curved lines. This one is from Canada. Underwing serial. Okay, that's a tip. Germany and Great Britain. Well, some additional instructions written for the decals, how to apply the decals or the water stickers and Minicraft logo and other aircraft. The Cessna 172 float plane. I have this one. Maybe I will make a review more ahead. This one is already built. Very interesting. And this is the other one. Well, let's show the big and nice water stickers project. That's very attractive, very extended. The yellow stripes, it's for the German version. The dark red is for the Canadian version. The blue and green is for the US registration. Look at these beautiful water stickers. Wow, excellent. On all the letters available for registrations, etc. The Minicraft model kit logo and the rest of the information. Copyright 2013 Minicraft Models US LLC, printed by cartograph.com, made in Italy. Well, more complete impossible. This is all about this excellent information for you if you want to buy it on Amazon or eBay. It's that's all the information. What you see is what you get. Thank you very much for watching this video, and let's go on to the next one. Bye bye.